In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download UKG Pro. If you need to install the UKG Pro app on your Android device, this is a very simple process, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish so you know exactly what to do. To begin, unlock your Android phone or tablet and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app store for Android devices, and it's the safest place to download apps like UKG Pro. Once the Play Store is open, look for the search bar near the top of the screen. Tap on the search bar and type in UKG Pro. After entering the name, start the search and wait for the results to appear. You may see several apps with similar names, so take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one. The app you want is called UKG Pro, and the publisher should be listed as UKG Inc. Checking the publisher name is a good habit because it helps confirm that you're downloading the official app and not a different one with a similar title. When you find the correct app, tap on it to open the app page. Here, you can usually see details like the app icon, developer name, screenshots, and reviews. Once you've confirmed that it's the right app, tap the Install button. Your device will then begin downloading and installing the app automatically. At this point, just give it a little time to finish. The speed will depend on your internet connection and your device, so if it takes a moment, that's completely normal. It's also a good idea to make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection during this step so the installation goes smoothly. Once the app has finished installing, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the UKG Pro app for the first time. From there, simply follow the on-screen instructions to continue. The app will guide you through the next part of the setup, so just read each screen carefully and proceed as prompted. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded UKG Pro on your Android device. If you found this helpful, you can replay the steps anytime you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.